Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Neanthe Bella Palm, how to care for your palm. The Bella Palm is non-toxic to pets and humans. This is also called lucky palm or dwarf palm. In the wild, this plant can grow up to 6 to 9 feet. Indoors, up to 2 to 4 feet. Let your Bella Palm dry out between waterings, then water well. Do not let your plant set in a tray with water. This will cause root rot. You can also check the soil with a stick or a chopstick, or you can use one of these meters here. Just put that in your plant and it'll let you know. And I've been using a chopstick. If the stick comes out dry, it's time to water. Palms like some humidity. If your room isn't humid, spritz it a few times a week. Pollard palms are sensitive to cold. Cold drafts can cause them to grow slower. Bella palms like medium levels of indirect light. If they don't get enough sun, the plant can grow leggy. You can also use grow lights or LED lights, do fine. Always turn your plant so it will grow evenly. Direct sunlight will burn the leaves. You can repot your palm every 2 years or when the roots start to come through the bottom of the pot or soil. I use Miracle Grow potting mix on all my plants. It has everything in it. It helps my plants to grow better. Browning or yellowing leaves. This can be a sign that something is wrong. Underwatering or overwatering could be the cause. Like I said before, always check the soil. You can remove the brown tips with clean scissors to clean the dust off the leaves. But your palm in the sink or shower, spritz the leaves gently. Yeah, if you put them in there and just spritz them gently, it'll take off all the dirt and dust off your leaves. And it likes to be spritzed a lot, so. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comment section. Thank you very much.